Hey y'all, so welcome back to Judy channel. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, enough of that. So today, I'll be showing y'all how to do a braid pattern for y'all wigs. Because like I be seeing females and they be like, I'm gonna go to the shop and have a lady like braid my hair down for my wig. I'm already too poor for that. So I'm gonna try to do it myself. So yeah, let's get started. So true rat tail comb. Rat tail comb. I like throwing the metal in. I feel like it makes the part straighter. So yeah, I mean if you want to moisturize your hair, you can. That's like up to you. I'm just showing y'all. I ain't even finna like do too much because I'm be washing my hair for this. So yeah, my hair dirty and yeah. So let's get started. So middle part. Well, it's the middle. I really do. It's not look like it. I suck at part. Yeah, I suck at part. I can't part shit all right. Yeah. No, baby girl, what are you doing? It's like, yeah, okay. See, this is the crap I be talking about. Like part, bro, part. That's it. That's good enough. I don't think that's good enough. Do that one more time. I mean, like, y'all ain't gotta do this extra braiding. Like, y'all ain't gotta do this extra overly braid pattern. Like, you can put your hair in like mini braids. As long as it's flat. Like, people don't understand, like, oh, I'm gonna get my hair braided by the shop and all this and that. And just make sure it's flat. Because as long as it's flat, you're not gonna have that little humpty hump, like, in your wig. So, as long as it's flat, that's the main thing. Flat. 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 Like, you can even do, like, 2 little French braids to the back. Or 2 little flat twists. As long as it's flat. So, yeah, I'm gonna take a scrunchie. Scrunchie. It's not opening. See, this one I'm talking about. My never prepared. You just gonna do it? Of course, you're gonna do it. You're gonna do it. Oh, it was. Okay, alright. Do me wrong then. Okay, so you can take this part. Oh, come on. I tried to get straight in the back, but at the end of the day, Judy knows what to be showing people this and your stuff not even together. Okay, that's like somewhat better. So I'll part it all the way down now. Check out medium size scrunchie. Section it off. On this side. But maybe I'll show y'all more than one. A little pattern. Cause this one's gonna be like extra intricate. But not really like anybody can do it, cause if I can do it, y'all can do it. So like, yeah. So first, gonna take and make the smallest braid up in the front. Y'all please don't be coming for me. How I be doing my stuff because like I'll be trying. Or whatever. Because people, they be like, well, I can't do that. Or like, I don't know how to do that. You can learn anything you need to learn. Do anything you want to do. All it takes is practice. Cause I ain't the best braider. I ain't even gonna do y'all like that. Comb it out. Or brush it out. You know, this hurt. And I'm gonna take this little small piece right here on the front. And we're just gonna braid it. Ain't nothing to but to do it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, braid it. Braid it. Braid it. See, I'm not even the best braider. But like, ain't nobody gonna braider really. Yeah, that ain't the best. It's light. It's light. But like, as long as it's flat, you're fine. Leave a little bit out. Like that much. Ain't gotta be nothing too major. Like, people, they be doing the most, they be dragging about everything. Like, you ain't gotta. Hey, on to the next braid. And it all ain't gotta be small either. Yeah, but like I said, like, as long as it's flat, you fine. Cause if you make it like bulky, then like the top of your wig is bulky. Just keep braiding, braiding, braiding. Am I doing your voice? Braiding. And then you're gonna take this little piece, our little hanging piece right here, and bring it up into that braid. Just gonna braid it all together. Something like that, like a little connected braid. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all one more time, and then I'm gonna do my whole head, and then I'm gonna come back. So, I mean, you can have some big braids, but as long as they flat, you fine. You was like fine. Like, that's people don't understand. Like, you ain't gotta do much of your braids. gonna take this, bring it up. Just braid it going down. Okay, so I'm gonna do the rest of my head, show y'all, then I'll come back. So bye for a quick moment. Hey y'all, so I'm back. So this is what I got. These my little braids in the front. Show y'all again, these my little braids in the front. I'm finna show y'all the back. Woo! I know it's hectic back there. I just know it. I feel it. I feel it. Let me turn around. Show y'all the back. Scoot over so y'all see. This is what the back looking like. I know it's probably critical back there. But yeah, and then I just took the little end pieces and I just tucked it away to the side, just under, cause y'all know ain't got no hair in the back. Y'all know this. Y'all know this, man. Fix y'all, y'all can see me. Okay, here go my wig. Y'all should look at the hair review that I got. Now that I'm speaking of my wig. Gonna look at the hair review I got on Ali Julia's hair from AliExpress. This is my little wig. I'm still trying to learn how to do wigs too, because ain't nobody perfect at ever doing anything. Except for with practice. So I'm gonna put this on. Oh baby, no. Scoot it back. Fix it right here. Pull all this hair right here to the front. Take my comb. Comb it out. To the back. And this is what my wig look like. It's flat. I can't get better at my little parting thing, but I also had this wig for like 5 months, so I know the part is like ah. So yeah, might have to buy me a new closure. But that's it, you guys. So like, comment, and subscribe. And this will look like. It's nice and flat because my braid's flat. And yeah, so like, comment, and subscribe. I'm making more videos. So bye.